How to change address in Bank of America account. Let's get started. Launch your Bank of America app, or also you can log into your Bank of America account in the web version. For this video, I'm going to use the web version. Launch your preferred browser and in the search box type in bankofamerica.com and then search for it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now click on Login. Now go ahead and provide your Bank of America account's credentials. Use your ID and the password and click on Login. After you log in, head over to the Settings tab and navigate to the option Profile and Settings. Under Profile section, tap on Personal Information. Here you will see Current Address. Tap on Edit to update your address details. Input your new address information including street address, city, state, zip code and country. Confirm the changes and tap on Save to complete the process. This way your new address will be updated on Bank of America account. Or else what you can do is visit the nearby branch of Bank of America. Go to branch and speak to a bank associate at the counter. You may need to provide identification like your driver's license or passport to verify your identity. Ask the bank associate to update your address on your Bank of America account. Once the update is made, the associate will confirm that your address has been successfully updated. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily change address in Bank of America. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.